Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo. Hey, if you're planning a Viking Sea Cruise, well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the ultimate packing guide. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser or a first-timer, knowing what to bring and what to leave at home will help you travel smarter and more comfortably. Let's unpack this. First, let's talk about the essentials. You'll need comfortable clothing for both warm and cool weather, as temperatures can vary. Don't forget your swimwear for those relaxing dips in the pool or hot tub. Also, pack some formal attire for the elegant dinners on board. Next, think about your footwear. Comfortable walking shoes are a must for exploring ports of call, and a pair of dress shoes for evening events. Also, consider packing a small day bag for excursions. And don't forget your travel documents, medications, and any personal items you can't live without. With these tips, you'll be well prepared for an unforgettable Viking Sea Cruise adventure. Happy travels! Viking is known for its elegant casual atmosphere. Lightweight, breathable fabrics are your best friends. For exploring European towns, pack cotton shirts, flowy dresses, shorts, and polos. For dinners, step it up to smart casual with collared shirts, slacks, blouses, skirts, or dresses. Scarves or wraps add elegance without taking up much space. Keep it simple and versatile. On a Viking cruise, you'll do a lot of walking, exploring ports, museums, and maybe some hiking. Pack sturdy sneakers or walking shoes with cushioning. Comfortable sandals are perfect for daytime excursions or relaxing on deck. Bring a polished option for dinners like loafers or flats. Limit yourself to 3 pairs of shoes to keep your suitcase manageable. Packing cubes are game changers for keeping your suitcase organized. Use them to separate clothes, shirts in one, trousers in another. Shoe bags keep shoes from dirtying clothes. Pack blister pads or gel inserts for your shoes. A well-organized suitcase equals a stress-free trip. Remember, organization is key. Let's talk about those fantastic shore excursions, the heart and soul of any Viking cruise. These excursions are meticulously designed to offer you an immersive experience, allowing you to truly connect with the local culture and history. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or someone who enjoys leisurely strolls through picturesque towns, there's something for everyone. Viking offers diverse options, from exploring ancient ruins to charming villages. Imagine walking through the remnants of ancient civilizations, feeling the weight of history beneath your feet, or wandering through quaint villages where time seems to stand still. Each excursion is a journey into the past, a chance to see the world through a different lens. Pack casual, comfortable, breathable clothing and trusty walking shoes. These will be your best friends as you navigate cobblestone streets, climb ancient steps, and explore bustling markets. Comfort is key, so make sure your attire allows you to move freely and enjoy every moment of your adventure. For religious sites, bring a shawl or scarf to cover your shoulders. Respecting local customs is important, and having a shawl or scarf handy ensures you're always prepared. It's a simple addition to your packing list that can make a big difference in your experience. A small day pack is essential for carrying necessities like water, sunscreen, and your camera. This way, you can stay hydrated, protect yourself from the sun, and capture all the incredible moments of your journey. A well-packed day pack ensures you're ready for anything, making your excursions smooth and enjoyable. Viking provides high-quality toiletries in your stateroom. Leave bulky bottles at home unless you have specific products you swear by. Sunscreen and moisturizer are non-negotiable. Keep toiletries in clear, waterproof bags to avoid spills. Stick to simple, versatile makeup products. You don't need to pack your entire vanity case. Even seasoned sailors can get queasy, so be prepared. Pack over-the-counter tablets or acupressure wristbands. Always pack medications in their original packaging. Bring extra doses of essential medications. A small first aid kit with basics like pain relievers and band-aids can be a lifesaver. You never know when you might need a little TLC. Capture travel memories with your camera or smartphone. Bring extra memory cards and chargers. Download books, movies, or music ahead of time. Don't forget a universal power adapter. Staterooms have both US and European outlets. Portable chargers or power banks are essential for navigation and photos. Leave formal gowns and tuxedos at home. Viking doesn't have formal nights. Irons are prohibited in cabins, but laundry services are available. Hair dryers are provided in every stateroom. Rely on Viking's informative port guides instead of heavy books. Pack light and enjoy your cruise. Maximize suitcase space by rolling clothes instead of folding them. Packing cubes help keep everything organized. Keep essentials like important documents, medications, and a change of clothes in your carry-on. Make copies of your passport, cruise documents, and travel insurance. Store digital copies on your phone for easy access. Packing smartly minimizes stress and maximizes enjoyment. Imagine yourself sipping a cocktail, the sun setting, and exploring incredible destinations. Relax, unwind, and embrace every moment of your Viking adventure. There you have it, my insider tips for packing like a pro. Remember, the key to a stress-free trip is organization and planning. Start by making a checklist of essentials, and don't forget to roll your clothes to save space and avoid wrinkles. Use packing cubes to keep everything in order and easily accessible. Now you're all set for your Viking Sea Cruise. Imagine the breathtaking views, the luxurious amenities, and the unforgettable experiences awaiting you on board. Whether you're exploring new destinations or simply relaxing on the deck, this cruise promises to be an adventure of a lifetime. Subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo for more travel advice, tips, and destination guides. Our channel is dedicated to helping you make the most of your journeys with insider knowledge and expert recommendations. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Your support helps us create more content to inspire and guide fellow travelers. Share your packing hacks in the comments below. We love hearing from our community and learning new tips and tricks to make travel easier and more enjoyable for everyone. Follow Traveling Kangaroo on social media for daily travel inspiration. From stunning photos to travel stories, we bring you the best of the travel world right to your feed. Thanks for joining me, safe travels, and bon voyage on your Viking Sea Cruise adventure. See you next time. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored, and we're here to help you discover them. Happy travels!